Hey guys, today is my birthday. 36 years old. That's hella old. I think I never imagined being a grown-up. And I really believe that most of us experience the same thing. Today is a short day in the studio because it's my birthday and because Romania is playing at the Euro 2024. I like watching football, so it's an opportunity to relax. But I wanted to make this video because I wanted to say thank you. It's been quite a rough time after the surgery that was a year and a couple of months ago. I still process what happened. I still have issues that I deal with, but it's getting better. And right now I am working on myself. I'm working to become a better self. Being a father now is probably the best thing that happened to me. It's a feeling that I really cannot describe. It's amazing. I struggle with work-life balance. I want to be there for my kid. I want to be there for the important moments. I want to be there for the bad moments. I want to be there to support him. And I have no doubt that it's going to be a struggle. That's life. Life is about how you go through things. I don't think that we as human beings are capable of living a protected life. Shit happens all the time and we need to deal with it. We need to go through it. But getting back to the point of the video, I am grateful to be here in this position. I am grateful that I have such a big following. I'm grateful to be able to work on music. I'm grateful for the friends that I have. I am grateful for the clients that I have. I am grateful for everything that is happening in my life. And thank you for being a part of it. This is just another beginning, and even though I don't find YouTube to be a really cool place at the moment, I want to go through this and I want to get better at creating content, at being an influencer, let's call it. I have my faults. Thanks again, and see you guys really soon with tutorials and other studio related videos. Cheers.